You might not be thinking this true, but there be some drinks, just simple juices, that help keep them old eyes working when you sleepin'. While you layin' down, them good things in the juice be fixin' tired eyes, gettin' blood movin' better, and cuttin' down that bad burnin' and swellin' what makes seein' hard in the dark. Tell me this, ain't you ever seen how your seein' start goin' bad right after sun go down? Not in mornin', not at noon, but at night, readin' get hard, watchin' TV feel like work. You blink more, squint harder, and drivin' at night? Forget it, headlights blindin' you near solid. That ain't just age. That's your body hollerin' for help. Nighttime's supposed to be when them eyes fix theyself. But for plenty folks after a certain age, that fixin' don't happen no more. Blood don't flow right, them tiny eye veins not bringin' enough air. That middle part what make you see straight ahead gettin' starved. And if you ain't feed in your eyes right, they don't heal, they just keep goin' worse. Water before bed? That ain't enough. Eyes need fuel, they need garden, they need the right kind of help while you sleepin'. The good part is, there be natural juices you can make in your own kitchen that got just what your eyes be wantin'. First one, carrot juice. You might be saying, yeah, heard that before, but you don't know why it work. That orange stuff in it, your body turn it into vitamin A, and that be what your eyes use to see in the dark. But when you get older, your body ain't so good at making that vitamin from carrots no more. Drinkin' carrot juice give you a strong hit of it right before bed so your eyes can soak it up while they fixin' theyself. It even help keep your eyes from dryin' out and feelin' all scratchy in the mornin'. Second, beet juice. Folks don't like it, cause it tastes like dirt, but it open up them blood pipes and make the flow better, even to the eyes. That mean less blurry seein' and less time waitin' for your eyes to get used to the dark. Drink it after dinner and your eyes get fed right when they need it most. Don't be scared if things come out red next day, that's just the juice talkin'. Third, blueberry juice. This here fightin' something you can't see, that slow damage from light, dirt in the air, and just livin'. The dark color stuff in blueberries guard them tiny eye veins, cut down swellin' inside the eye, and help you see better goin' from light to dark. But you gotta drink the pure juice, not that fake mixed stuff with sugar. Last, orange juice. Yeah, folks think it's just for colds, but it help build the stuff that keep your eyes from fallin' apart inside. That vitamin C in it work to fix up the parts while you restin'. Just don't drink too much or the store-bought kind with all the sugar, fresh is best. Don't go drinkin' all 4 in one night. Pick one each evening and drink it slow, about an hour before bed. Keep doing it, and maybe you wake up with eyes less dry, maybe read at night easier, maybe them headlights don't burn so bad. This ain't magic. It's small steps that stack up. Each glass you drink, you givin' your eyes a better shot at staying strong.